This is Spencer, your Tampa Bay wallpaper installer, coming to you from sunny Florida, the Tampa Bay area. Now we came to the point to have wallpaper in this reveal of the arch. Remember, this little white area here underneath the arch, or the ceiling of the arch, that's called the reveal. How do you wallpaper it? Will the wallpaper match? Right? These are all issues that come up when you're wallpapering an arch, or something similar to it. So now, what you want to do is first you cut the wallpaper about 1 inch extending past the edge, okay? And you let it dry. If you don't let it dry, did you ever try to cut something wet, like a cloth? Keeps moving, right? Same thing with wallpaper. The drier the wallpaper, the more easily it cuts. And so you want it to be able to cut with a crisp line. So what did I do? I cut around both sides and I let it extend an inch over the reveal, over the edge. And then what you do is, with a sharp pair of scissors, you're going to come up. You're going to, now remember, the paper is hanging over at this point, not right now, but it was. And you're just going to cut it at least 1 centimeter from the edge. Why are you going to do that? Because the wallpaper won't bend underneath and onto the reveal unless you slice it. And so, did you ever see a corner bead for an arch? You see all the cuts in it so that it bends? Well, if you didn't cut the paper, it wouldn't bend into the reveal. So you go around and you just, about 1/2 inch away from each cut, especially on the bend. The straightaway, not so much, but on this arch, you want to cut it every 1/2 inch or so. And then you do this to the other side, and then you bend the wallpaper underneath the reveal and onto the wall side of the arch. And then what you're going to do, so you understand that so far? Very tricky. Now, you got to look